The first step is to remove the battery. Then, unscrew these two screws. Then there is one here. This needs to be removed. Fold the paper again. Then open the controller. After opening the stubborn device, find the battery converter. The blue and black wires are the seed tube, the battery holder. Then take it out. Take it out and replace it with a new one. Just take this out. Then when it's new, it's new. Then just like this, put it back in the same way. When putting it back, you need to be slow, pay attention. Then we can just connect it back. It must be the blue and black wires. These three wires, unplug this one and replace it with this one. This is a set. Then we can reinstall it. It can be reinstalled.